I want to talk about something that is so incredibly important when it comes to narration. This one thing can literally change the entire tone of a sentence, a paragraph, the beginning, or the ending of a chapter. This can literally change how your book starts or how it ends. It's called the dramatic pause. The dramatic pause is very important because it means that you as a narrator are aware of what is going on in the story. You are lost in the moment, right? So you have to put yourself in your listener's shoes. You have to imagine that they're going to be hanging on your every word. If they're listening to your story, more than likely they're getting pretty involved. They are trading a piece of their time for your story. So you better make the most of that trade. They are invested, and you really want a payoff on those important points. Now, the dramatic pause is not for everything. It's not for descriptors. It's not for action. It's not for average everyday, Jody got out of bed, she went in and brushed her teeth. After she brushed her teeth, she brushed her hair. That's not where dramatic pause comes in. But dramatic pause is generally linked to emotion, heartache, or plot twist. Plot twist is where it comes in so much because that reveal, that final payoff, that part that nobody saw coming, you got that deserves a dramatic pause. So dramatic pause requires practice. It takes time. You'll develop it as you read, and the more comfortable you get with narrating your story, the more you're going to be able to put the dramatic pause in place, but don't abuse it. Do not abuse the dramatic pause or it loses its punch. Also, if you're pausing in the wrong spots, people are going to kind of get turned off. So just play with it and find where that dramatic pause comes in, okay? But remember, it is generally tied to emotion, plot twist, loss, heartache, just things like that. So practice it, get used to using it, but don't take that tool out of your toolkit. The dramatic pause is a phenomenal tool, and if you use it right, you will literally knock your story out of the park, okay? So I'm going to see you in the next video.